So, Razer is officially moving from making your desk look cool to making your desk feel alive. Every year at CES, Razer drops a project that sounds like it's from the year 2099, but this year they've actually built something you can reserve right now. Meet Project AVR. It's not a mouse, it's not a keyboard, it's a 5.5-inch 3D holographic AI companion that lives on your desk. This isn't just another voice assistant like Alexa or Siri. Razer is calling this a friend for life. It's a 24/7 digital partner that learns, evolves, and literally watches you while you play. Let's cut through the hype and see if this is actually the future or just a very expensive desk toy. So, what is it? Physically, it's a sleek cylindrical device with a holographic display at the top. It features a dual mic array, an HD camera with ambient light sensing, and of course, plenty of Razer Chroma RGB. The AVR name stands for your AI companion, and she appears as a stylized 3D avatar that was developed with Animation Inc. She has full facial expressions, eye tracking, and high fidelity motion. But here's the cool part, you aren't stuck with just one personality. You can choose from 5 different avatars at launch. There's AVA, who is calm and reliable, Kira, the supportive gaming partner, Zane, the strategic wingman, and even Faker, yes, the GOAT of League of Legends, who can give you esports level guidance. They even have Sao, a virtual idol for those who want a more personal pop star vibe. It's essentially choose your own adventure for your desk. Now let's talk about the brain. Right now, Project Ava is running on XAI's Grok engine. This means she has sophisticated reasoning and a dynamic personality. She doesn't just answer questions, she has a sense of humor and context. However, Razer designed this with an open architecture. That means in the future it could support other AI platforms or even a dedicated Razer AI. The most impressive feature is what they call PC Vision Mode. Because it connects to your Windows PC via USB Type-C AVA, can actually see what is happening on your screen. This allows her to provide real-time coaching, analyze your gameplay, or even summarize a complex work document you're currently reading. It's a level of integration we haven't really seen before. Razer is pitching this for 3 main areas: life, work, and play. In life, she acts as a proactive organizer. She can manage your calendar, help you pick out an outfit based on the weather, or even help you figure out what to have for dinner. She also acts as a wellness coach, tracking your habits and giving you personalized motivation. In work, she's an AI consultant. You can have a two-way conversation to brainstorm ideas, refine pitches, or synthesize data from massive spreadsheets instantly. She also handles real-time translation for verbal conversations. But for most of us, the play side is the most interesting. Ava acts as your gaming wingman. She provides live coaching, solves puzzles, and identifies opponent vulnerabilities. If you're a lore nerd, she can pull up character backstories without you having to pause the game. And honestly, the best part is she celebrates your wins and offers support when you're on a losing streak. It's like having a duo partner who never gets toxic. Now, the big question is this cheating? Razer is very clear that AWA is a coach and a trainer, not an automated tool. She doesn't play the game for you. They are working closely with developers to make sure she follows the terms of service. She's there to help you learn mechanics, not bypass them. So, when can you get one? Project AVA is expected to ship in the second half of 2026. If you're in the US, you can actually reserve one right now on Razer.com with a $20 deposit. That deposit is fully refundable and goes toward the final price. Though we don't know exactly what that final price will be yet. Knowing Razer, it won't be cheap, but it's definitely one of the most unique pieces of tech we've seen in years. Project Ava is a huge bet from Razer. They're trying to bridge the gap between a virtual assistant and a physical companion. It's definitely a bit Black Mirror, but for people who spend 10 hours a day at their desk, having a digital partner might actually be a game changer. But I want to know what you think. Is a holographic desk companion the future of AI? Or is this just too much tech for one desk? Drop a comment and let me know. And look, if you aren't really interested in the idea of an AI watching your screen, then honestly, don't worry about subscribing. But if you do want to see the full review when this thing actually ships, stick around. I'll see you in the next one.